Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Lane of Secrets. So firstly, I would like to thank all those people who have pressed the like button for all my videos and who have subscribed my channel. So today's reading is going to be the current energy of your partner, okay? Whoever in long distance relationship and they're not in constant touch with their partner. So let's see what are the feelings of their partners for them, okay? So I know like distance relationship is always very difficult to maintain, right? You need a lot of trust. I mean, you have to really always be in touch through phones, or sometimes even that is not possible to text, because everyone has got their work, but still it's very difficult. But even though I think if the love is true, I think distance doesn't matter. So let's see what are the current feeling of your partner during this distance relationship. Okay, so let's see what is your partner's current energy. So whoever watches this channel, it doesn't matter which day or which date or which month are you watching, it's always going to give you a reading connecting with the present situation of your partner, the present energy. Okay, so it's a general reading, so whatever resonates with you, please take it, and whatever does not resonate with you, please leave it. So let's just close your eyes and remember your partner's beautiful faces, whether it's a handsome boyfriend you have, or a beautiful girlfriend you have, or it's the same like same sex partner, it doesn't matter. So just close your eyes and just remember the beautiful moments that you have spent together. Okay, let's ask the help of the angels to give us a guidance to see what is the current situation of your partners. How do your partner feel during this long distance relationship? Or it can also be like you people were before in the same city, but right now, due to the job or due to some other reason or the family issue, you people had to go into a long distance relationship. So let's see your partner's current energy. Okay. Oh. Okay, so as we were talking about the distance here, the travel and the distance card is also there. So right now your partner is, your partner has a lot of things in his or her mind. They want to be very, very financially stable before they come into a committed relationship, before they want to get married to you, before they want to get settled to you. They maybe, like some of the people's partner very reserved, they don't share a lot, but they have got a lot of things going inside themselves, because this distance have really, really created a little bit of, sadness in them, because they never wanted to go on a long distance relationship. But anyway, it is, like it's the demand of the job or demand of the family. So sometimes, you cannot do anything about it and you have to go for a distance relationship. But what I can see is, like, your partner is very much focused into the work, the growth of the money. And yes, and I can see that there's also an angel guidance for both of your relationship. I can see that even though you two are quite far, you have got a very good understanding, you're keeping in touch. Okay, for some sectors of people, your partner might have been a little bit of possessive kind of thing. So they might ask you every now and then, to give them the updates, like where you are, what you're doing, because they feel a little bit insecure when they're far away from you. Maybe your partner was not like this when he or she was with you in the same city, where you could meet up every day or you could talk you know, but right now because the distance have created a little bit of insecurity with your partner. Maybe whoever is seeing this reading must be a very beautiful person, must be a very good looking guy, right? So a little bit of insecurities are being created in your partner's heart right now, but your partner loves you a lot. You know, I can see a cup full of emotions, and so do you. You also love your partner a lot, and you people are waiting anxiously to, you know, like meet up again. But yes, I can see like your partner has got a very beautiful planning. Okay, so maybe this person has never showed you this part of him or her. Like, you know, they've always been very reserved, who speaks little less, who is less you know, like not expressive. I mean, even though, you know, their caring nature is in different way, right? They never use words to express, but right now maybe the distance have made them become more and more, you know, like expressive, and they do express a lot. And if your partner somehow is not being able to be into a constant touch with you, please don't lose hope, because right now I can see that your partner is very strong with relationship and focusing basically for your future. They want to have a good you know, life. It's definitely, you know, if financially, if you're strong, and if the bonding and the love is strong, everything, you are going to win the battle, right? Yes, a little bit of conflict is there with his family side, but I think gradually, if both the people are okay with it, you know, the family will also will like, you know, they are going to agree with this relationship. Little bit of tussle between the families there, but you know, your partner is already seeing a very very bright future where he wants to have a beautiful family, you know, with kids. So your partner always sees you in that position, you know, to have a good sees you, he or she wants to give you that level of a wife or a husband. So you know, like, they're working for it. So just because your partner is far away, don't think that, you know, like the current situation, these are the reading for people in distance relationship, right? Not in breakup, in distance relationship. So if the distance have been created, don't become sad, like, you know, they might go with someone else or someone might steal your partner. No, if the trust is strong and if your love is strong, no matter where you are, the love is going to grow day by day. It's going to become more and more stronger. So definitely I can see, you know, like they are working really hard, and this hard work is going to give a very good you know, like result. I mean, your partner is going to reach to a very good position where, you know, he or she will be able to have a very stable life with you, and very soon you are going to get a good news. If these are that there's some sector of people who has not seen their partner from almost 2 years or 3 years, you know, they are going to come back to you as soon as the finance is strong. Okay, like when they had left you, there are two reasons for your partners to go. One is the financial, because they were not doing very well. Some of the partners can be in abroad countries also, when they were in the same city, or they were working in some companies in the same city, or they were doing some kind of business. They were juggling with the finance a lot. Because of the financial issue, they were not willing to settle down with you, because you always wanted to have a family with him, right? Him or her, right? So you wanted to have a family with him or her, but then the problem is, they have always seen, they're a very mature person, they have always seen life, and they know that finance plays a very very important role in their life. Love is always there, definitely love comes number one, but you know, more than that, whoever loves you would always like to give you a very comfort life, right? So that's why your partner had taken a very drastic step to go somewhere far, or to join in some big companies, or to start some, you know, like good business. And I can see that there is a good financial growth in their life. They are growing, and they will. And very soon your partner, whatever juggling phase they had, maybe, you know, like they always wanted to keep you like a, you know, like a queen, right? Fulfilling all your desires, whatever you want to buy, or whatever you want. Like, they used to be very happy if they were able to give you those things, right? So that's why, you know, more than whoever's reading I'm seeing here is, you know, their partner is a very 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 loving and caring person. Okay, so they think about you more rather than themselves. Okay, so there are times, like, you know, you tend to become a little bit over controlling on them, but you know, like they are okay. They have never ever showed their anger on you, even if you do that. But now what happened, this thing, the controlling nature has become just the opposite side. After they have gone far away from you, they have started, you know, like becoming a little more possessive, because somewhere maybe, you know, sometimes what happens when you have your friends around, they see like how the relationship breaks up, when you go into distance relationship. So maybe, that a little bit is disturbing them. So that's why they have become very possessive. So don't take it in other way that, my partner has suddenly changed or they have started becoming controlling towards me. It's nothing of that. So it's basically the love and affection that is growing. So they are going to give you a very good news very soon. And probably day and night they are seeing, they are seeing a dream of having you in their life as a life partner. They don't want to juggle with their finance, so they're working very hard. And yes, I can see a person coming traveling to you. This is a very, very beautiful card. Like either you are going to travel to your partner or your partner is going to come to you. So let me just clarify a devil's energy here, energy which should not have been in this beautiful card. But let's see, okay, why this devil energy is there. Please clarify me, angels. Please guide me. Tell me about this devil energy. Okay, that's what to say is correct. Okay, right. Okay. See, devil sign, I was pretty sure like the devil sign is nothing that bad about it. It is just, it's showing the possessive nature of your partner, because your partner is no more into that very young guy, like thing. They have become very matured and they see a very beautiful future with you. That's a basic reason for them to becoming a little bit controlling in nature. So, I mean, sometimes it's okay, it's always good to discuss, if they are doing things, if they're pushing things too hard on you, then it is always good for you to openly tell them that, I'm not comfortable with this. But overall your partner is just controlling you, because they don't want to lose you. They cannot, they are not a person who's going to express you and tell you that, I like you, I love you every now and then, but they express in a very different manner. They have a very caring nature. So yes, this card all, as I told you, like, they are looking forward to come forward and, give you some surprises and start a new beginning. They want to have a family with you. And your partner, whoever has gone away from you, it's, you are not going to lose that partner. Don't even think about it, because they're very serious with you and they see beautiful future with you. So let's hope for the good news to come for the partners who are in distance relationship. Okay, and those people who are a little bit scared about losing their partner just because they are in distance, it's not going to happen. We always say that whenever there's a distance between a couple, the distance makes your heart goes fonder, right? So the more and more the distance increases, the more the love increases. That only happens with people who genuinely love you. No other person can take that place. Okay, so it's same thing, it goes with you. If you are also, like, the distance, it's nothing. You just have to know how to like take out some time and be in touch. Obviously, like a conversation, always texting, being in touch is always good. Even if like, there are always fights between the couples. So even if you end up having a fight, always make sure that, you resolve your problem and you talk it out, right? You be in touch. I mean, be in touch. Be in touch in not in a sense like 24 hours, but you can always be in touch, like every day, to know about your partner, how they are doing, or your partner might even be in touch with you. So the card is very beautiful for those people who are in distance relationship, or whoever was in a beautiful relationship and right now, from the month of June, they have gone into a distance relationship. I think is you are going to have a beautiful time, and very soon your partner is either going to, like, call you, or they are going to come down to see you or meet you, and you are going to have a beautiful, beautiful time together. So I hope this card reading is going to help you to get a clear understanding, of whoever was in a little bit of confusing understanding that how my partner is going to be, like, are they going to change after going into a distance relationship? It's nothing of that sort going to happen. And don't take their controlling nature as a negative points. It's just that they love you and they have become very possessive about you. Being possessive little bit is always good, right? Until unless it does not go beyond a limitation. Okay, my dear friends, these were the reading for those people who are in distance relationship. I hope my tarot was able to give you a guidance. So thank you so much for watching the tarot reading. If you like the reading, please give a like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye bye.